So in the last videos, we started a new batch on core Java basics. Okay. You can see the title of our course is nothing but, yeah. So basic Java package where you people are going to get core Java, advanced Java, UI technologies, Oracle 19c, mini project. The total duration of the course is 4 months. It is a normal track. Okay. And coming to the timings of this session timings is from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, this session timings is from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, and the fees is rupees 12,000. Okay, so you can opt to two courses here. One is, if you want, you can register for core Java by paying 5,000, or you can register for basic Java package, so by paying 12,000, where you are going to get these four courses. And in the last class I explained the syllabus of core Java. Okay, so even we started data types topic also, and all the demo videos. If any new student is there, the demo videos are available in this link. Just go through this. Okay, all the demo videos are available in that link. And even we started data types concept. So today, before moving to the theory part, so I told already today quiz also will be there. Okay, so I'm not going to take much time. So first I will explain the syllabus of UI technologies. Sir, what topics we are covering under UI technologies? Sir, as a part of these UI technologies, I'm going to explain how to develop a basic web page. For that, you need to learn HTML. Okay, so how to develop a basic web page, I'm going to take by using this HTML. Sir, after covering this HTML, so I'm going to explain CSS, like cascading style sheets. See, for HTML, if you want to add any extra benefits, for that we need to go for CSS. Okay, for HTML, if we want to add any extra styles, then we have to use which one? CSS. After that, sir, I'm going to demonstrate JavaScript. Sir, by using these, we can make our website more interactive. Okay, like you can add some kind of tools by using which we can make our website more dynamic, like how to handle the events. All these things will be covered here. Don't worry, everything I'm going to demonstrate. Then, sir, we are going to see jQuery also. jQuery also. Okay, by using this also we can prepare some kind of dynamic web pages. Okay, then bootstrap. Sir, this jQuery and bootstrap is some kind of frameworks only. By using jQuery, we can make some programs as a dynamic, and by using this bootstrap we have some templates are there, by using which how you can build our dynamic web pages we are going to see. So these are nothing but the content of our UI technologies. Sir, maximum around 3 weeks I'm going to spend on this. Okay, sir, today just I will explain the HTML syllabus. So what things we are going to cover as a part of this HTML? Sir, first we are going to see introduction to, okay, introduction to web application. Like, sir, what is mean by web application? So why that web application terminology will come into the picture? How to develop web pages? What is mean by web page? So everything we are going to cover in this. And second part, there are some front end and back end technologies. So what is mean by front end? What tools will be there for developing front end applications? So what is mean by back end? What things we are going to cover as a part of these backend tools? everything we are going to cover. Okay, some people are putting messages, please wait sir, DSA won't be there here. Next, third part, sir, here there are two parts of our HTML, sir. Two parts of HTML will be there. So that is nothing but structure of HTML document. Sir, if I want to prepare any HTML program, there will be some structure, like two parts will be there. How, like how a human being, body part, okay, and then head part will be there, right? In the same way for HTML also, two parts will be there. That structure we are going to see. Okay, and next and after that, steps to write, steps to write HTML program, like how to develop a HTML program, what steps are there to prepare these HTML programs. So next term, we are going to have some tags. Okay, tags. So like we are going to discuss about opening and closing tags. Opening and closing tags. Sir, everything in HTML is in the form of tags only. How to open a tag, how to close a tag, like that we are going to see. So next and after that, we are going to discuss about basic basic fundamental tags. There are some fundamental tags are there, like HTML, body, head, title. Okay, next and after that, document type, bold, italic, like some basic fundamental tags are there. We are going to talk about that. Next and after that, sir, paragraph and heading tag. There is one special paragraph tag will be there, and heading tag also will be there. We are going to talk about those things. Next and after that, comments in HTML. In every programming language, comments will be there, right? In the same way, even in HTML also, we have a concept of comments. How to prepare the comments we are going to see. Sir, next and after that, sir, how to prepare lists. Sir, I want to display a list of elements. You can see in the websites, some lists are going to be displayed, right? Like how to develop a program for that. Next, text formatting tags. Sir, I want to display a tag with a beautiful color. How to display? I want to display a tag, so with some red color, the text should be moving. Okay, how to do that? Like dynamic web pages, if you want to interact, you can see there are so many formatting tags will be there. Sir, I want to change the font. Everything is possible here. Sir, next and after that, we are going to talk about anchor tag. Okay, anchor tag. Sir, very, very important. Especially in this particular course, I am going to demonstrate one project. In that project, there should be navigations, like from one page to another page, we need to navigate. Sir, how to do that? For that, anchor tag must be required. Next, how to work with image tag. Next, so how to work with so div and span tag. These two tags are very, very important. How to work with that? So then there is one tag called marq. Marq tag is there. So how to work with this marq tag? So next and after that, table tag. How to deploy a table? Okay, sir, this one is very, very important. See, in our project we are going to use this table tag. Why? Because suppose if I am developing one project related to employees, there will be one option, can you please show me all the employees? Sir, how to display? So in the database we don't know how many employees will be there. So what we have to do? Sir, we need to connect, right? Okay, like how we are going to connect? So we need to connect with the database. How many records are there? We don't know. We have to fetch the records and we need to display on the web page. For that, we are going to use table tag. And if I want to get the data from the user, so some inputs must be required. So by using form tag, we are going to get the inputs. Okay, next, very, very important, sir, multimedia tags. Sir, when you are taking the data from the user, I want to play some audio, or I want to play some video, like other like suppose if cricket match is going on, I need to play that advertisement in my website. So for that, compulsory audio video tags must be required, right? So those things we are going to do here. So next and after that, sir, very, very important, HTML validations. Sir, in the HTML, at very basic level, you can do some validations, like whether the data is right or wrong. Okay, so whether the data is given in a proper format or not, like everything we can give, sir. So these things we can able to do by using HTML itself up to certain level. So this is nothing but the HTML tag syntaxes what we are going to cover. The total HTML we are going to discuss here. Sir, if you are having any queries, so please let me know so that I will move further. Any questions?
Sir, can we do live streaming in HTML? I mean, live cricket match, how you said, right? Video we can do.
Sir,
Can we?
live streaming, if we want to do, what we need to do is a good question actually. So, if you have a programming language knowledge, you can understand my point, sir. See, so to do that live streaming, we need different approaches. First thing, someone has to record. Okay, maybe from your mobile phone, you are recording some event. So that event I want to broadcast. So you are recording with your mobile phone. Both audio and video is coming. Then at the same time, the video should be uploaded to a server. That is very, very important. So in the server, that data is going to be added. Maybe, for example, consider my system, my laptop. The data is appending to my laptop. Then what I have to do? I need to develop a website or I need to develop a portal. By using that, I am going to stream that. Sir, how to do that? Maybe so directly in the home page itself, I want to show that. So I will take one multimedia tag. Like I told, multimedia tag will be there. So in that multimedia tag, video tag is there. So I'm going to take the video tag. What is the source of that video tag? In my server, that video is available. Append that. Okay, then I will deploy that particular into my server, sir. Okay, so then anybody can use that URL to watch the video. This is the basic syntax, but there are n number of problems will be there with that. What are the problems? Suppose if one or two members are watching the video simultaneously, with some small delay it will come, no problem. But if multiple thousands of crores of people are watching, definitely my server is not in a position to respond. For that we need to use so many tools to improve that server. But we are not at that level as of now. We can use a beautiful website, okay, and you can do that. But I am trying to explain. So to implement that for a live stream, who is going to watch, maximum traffic will be there means we have to use some alternative tools. We need to maintain some big servers. Okay, so navigation should be there, multiple servers we need to maintain. So if request is not processing properly, immediately you have to use another server. Like that we have to do. Sir, clear?
Yes, sir.
And because you asked this particular doubt, I need to tell one simple example. Sir, my student, okay, my student is working on AHA platform. AHA Telugu platform is there. So that office is located in Hyderabad. So there is one AHA online OTT platform is there. So my student is working there. So he is telling, generally when we had a call, so he is my old student. So he is telling around, sir, 100 members are there in the backend team. That's all. Only 100 members. With 100 members, we are running this OTT. So in that, especially for these movies or especially for new releases, so they are going to spend much time. They are going to slow down the normal servers, and this movie server they are going to highlight. So like he is telling all the inputs what they are doing. So I hope you understood the terminology. Based on the traffic, how many people are interacting, based on that, maintenance of the server is very, very important. Clear, sir?
Yes. And who maintains this server, sir? All these servers,
That
developers?
company people, the company people, no, not developers. Developers' job is only to give that particular product. That's all.
Okay.
At the same time, suppose if any issue is coming, generally what we will do, suppose I developed one application. In my application some server issue is there. So simply I will put a message to my client saying, so one day the server won't work, like that. But if it is OTT platforms or live stream sessions, it is not possible, right? Then definitely the persons who developed that project, the team members, compulsory the 2 to 3 members will be there in the live stream sessions. So they should take care of each and everything. That's why what company people are going to do, they will hand over the total control to that company. Got it? Sir, you understood the scenario,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir. Sorry, I was speaking on mute. Sorry, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
no problem. Yeah. Okay, I'm not going in detail into this because it will deviate to some other. Right. Clear, everyone? Please confirm up to this.
Sir, clear here. I
Hmm.
want doubt like sir actually I want to actually I hear like you're also teaching DSA not in this batch. So
Hmm.
is there any planning in future like you're taught on DSA, sir?
Sir, actually, DSA batch is already started. Only 1 week completed, sir. You can join into that batch.
Sir, the timing can you tell me, sir, please?
Sir, just I will drop my number on the chat window. Just use this number. Just send a WhatsApp message with all your details. I will forward that information to admin team. They will make a call to you. Okay?
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, right. So if you want, register as early as possible, sir, because this Saturday we have a session at 7 o'clock.
Okay, okay,
So
okay, sir.
before that, you can join. If you share details today, I will ask admin team to share the demo videos and all tomorrow. So you can take 1 or 2 days time and you can join by Saturday on or before 4 p.m. Okay.
Okay, the timing is 4 p.m., right?
No, the session timings is from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. 3 hour session will be there. It is only on weekends, Saturday and Sunday.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, sure, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Any other queries regarding the syllabus? Clear?
The final question. Sorry,
No problem.
sir. The syllabus that which you showed, right? Not this one.
Hmm.
Before than this, like you
Hmm.
showed one whole syllabus.
Core Java, Core Java.
Yeah, core Java, the basic core Java. So after learning this basic core Java, sir, where I have to go, sir? I mean, for development or like testing or
Sir,
like
what
where?
is your qualification? What you are doing now?
Sir, I'm a testing engineer, sir. Right now, I'm having a 1 year experience.
Okay.
So
So
I
if you
was,
are if you are experienced person, only 1 year experience, huh?
yes, sir, only 1 year.
Yeah, then no problem. By using this Java, just to put a project in this. Okay. So even the project which I am explaining, you can take it and you can put it in your resume and you can go for interviews. With 1 or 2 years experience, this course is sufficient, sir. So if you want to keep 4 or 5 years experience, then compulsory frameworks knowledge must be required. Okay.
Okay, sir. No, no, sir. Can I go to development or like?
Yeah, definitely you can move for development side, sir. No issues at all.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Sir, any other questions? Right. So with this, just I'm not explaining CSS syllabus. Maybe tomorrow I will go explain CSS and JavaScript syllabus. So now in the last videos, what I explained, so data types topic we started and I demonstrated what is mean by data types, how the data types concept will come into the picture. Next, I explained by taking some example also. We covered so many important points also. So primitive or fundamental data types means what I explained. Okay. And what are the subdivisions? Like integers are divided into 4 types, real values are divided into 2 types, characters there is only one division, sir, boolean there is only one division, like that I covered. So then in Java there are total 8 primitive data types are there. Okay. So for every data type, we have seen these properties, like 6 properties. What is the data type name, what is the keyword name, so what is the wrapper class name, so how much size it is going to occupy. Okay. So what is the range of the data type and what is the default data type, like everything we discussed. So first we started with byte data type, like what is the data type name, what is the keyword name, so what is the wrapper class name, and the size is what, range is what, default value is what. For this size, even I explained one diagram also. If you remembered, just I explained one diagram, like how to calculate the range of a byte. Okay, how to calculate the range of byte I explained with one diagram. You can see. So what is that a diagram? This diagram includes so the calculation part, like how to calculate minimum value, how to calculate maximum value theoretically. Okay, so I explained very clearly in the last session. But sir, programmatically, how to calculate? No problem. For that, we can develop a Java program. By using Java program itself, we can find the minimum value of the data type and the maximum value of the data type. We are not required to remember these theoretical points. So in C language and all, compulsory we have to remember what is the minimum value, that big number you need to remember, but in Java not required. Okay, so now I will explain how to do that with the help of program. Sir, can I go for a program now?
Yes, sir.
Now observe carefully. Sir, to execute the program, okay, so I'm taking one editor, so maybe uh, VS Code, so or I can use, so IntelliJ IDEA is also there. So anything you can use, either VS Code or IntelliJ IDEA, anything. It is a tool, sir, but don't go in detail. Just I will explain at a top level. Okay, so don't go in detail into this. Yeah. So now you can see, sir, everyone seeing this program, right? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Sir, is it visible now? Which theme you
No,
need? Dark or light?
sir, not visible anything.
Sir, everyone,
And
please confirm. Is it visible?
yes, sir, visible. Light
Yeah.
only visible.
Okay, right. I am taking. Sir, now you can see. So there is a program here. So what I'm going to do is, so simple, system.out.println. See which wrapper class we are talking, sir? Byte, right? So I'm taking byte dot min underscore value. Similarly, system.out.println byte dot max value. Sir, if you run this program, I am going to get two outputs. Don't worry, how to execute this program and all, I will explain later. As of now, not required. Sir, tell me what is the minimum value it is printing? Anyone? Please read this. What is the minimum
Minus
value it is
128.
printing?
Minus
Minus
120.
128. What is the maximum value?
127 plus.
Yes. Sir, already how it is theoretically calculated, we have seen in the yesterday's class, correct?
Yes, sir.
So same thing I'm doing with the help of practical. But what is this public, class, main, everything we will see in detail. As of now, don't hurry. Okay, because in the upcoming classes, maybe not tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow, I'm going to explain how to do this program step by step, how to implement a Java program. I'm going to explain. Maybe tomorrow itself, I'm going to start. Clear? Any doubts in this program? Everyone, please
No,
confirm.
no, sir.
Right. Sir, now I'm going to write syntax for this. I'm going to write syntax for this. Sir, how to find out minimum value of a data type? How to find out, sir? That a wrapper class name, right? That a wrapper class name dot, okay, dot min underscore value we have to use. Sir, if I want to find out maximum value, same wrapper class name dot max value. Okay, sir, when we are using byte data type, what is a wrapper class name? Byte. When we are using integer, the wrapper class name is going to change like that. So what is the syntax of finding maximum value? Sir, wrapper class name dot minimum to find out minimum value, wrapper class name dot max to find out the maximum value. But anyway, for every data type, I am giving the minimum and wrapper class names, right? So hence there is no problem. Sir, clear everyone up to this? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now, so like byte data type, we are going to discuss about another data type, which is nothing but short. So for short data type, okay, so what is the group and what is the data type name, wrapper class name, size, everything we are going to cover. So in addition to short, still two more integers are there, right? So those two integers also we will cover. What is another two integers? We have long data type is there. So what is another one, sir? Anyone? Integer. Total how many divisions are there in integer? Anyone can please tell me those four divisions? In integers, how many types are there?
4.
Four. What are those four? Tell me names.
Byte, short, int, long.
Very good. Byte, short, int, and then long. These are nothing but basic four data types that we have in the integer. Sir, clear everyone? Please confirm. Now, sir, we are going to see for short. Okay, for short, what is the data type name that we are going to use? Sir, what is the data type name that we will use? It belongs to which type? Integer. Sir, what is the keyword name? If you want to declare any short integer value, so short is the keyword name. What is a wrapper class name? Sir, wrapper class name is also short, but please make sure S must be capital letter. Okay. What is the size? How much size integer is a byte is going to occupy? 1 byte. Sir, if it is a short, double of this size means what? It will take 2 bytes. It will take 2 bytes. 2 bytes means how many bits? 16 bits. Sir, what is the range? Don't worry. We have a wrapper class name is there, right? Just in the place of byte. So I am taking which value we have to take? Short. Short dot min value. Short dot max. Just save the program and refresh your output. Now you can see, sir, what is the value that we are getting? Minus 32,768 is the minimum value, 32,767 is the maximum value. Sir, how these values are coming? Yesterday I already explained, right? Same procedure we have to use. Okay. Sir, what is the range? Minus 32,768 to plus 32,767. What is the default value? It is also integer type, right? That's why the default value is 0. Any doubts about short integer? Please confirm. Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Then, so I'm going to cover both integer and then long integer at a time. Sir, coming to integer, it is of type integers. Keyword name is int. Sir, wrapper class name, don't take int. We have to type the complete word. What about the size? It will occupy 4 bytes. 4 bytes means how many bits? Sir, 32 bits. 32 bits it is going to occupy. What about range? Sir, we have to write the program. How to write? Sir, here integer. We need to take the full form. So integer dot. So minimum value, and here integer dot maximum value. I saved this program and I am refreshing the output. You can see, sir, a big value we are going to get. This is nothing but what? Minimum value, sir. Minimum value. And what is the maximum value? The second argument. Sir, what is the default value? It is also integer, right? Default value is 0. Sir, what about long? Long is also integer family. What is the keyword used to declare? Long. Wrapper class name is long L capital. Sir, size is 8 bytes. That means how many bits? 64 bits it is going to occupy. Sir, what about range? We have to write the program for this also. Sir, in the place of int, I am taking long. So here also in the place of int, I am taking long, sir. Now refresh this. So you will get another big value for storing long. Sir, you can see how much big value we are getting. This is nothing but the maximum value and minimum value, and this is nothing but the maximum value to store. What is a default value? It is also integer, right? That's why the default value is also 0. That's all, sir. So I covered integer data type and complete its family. Any questions? Sir, any questions up to this? Please confirm.
No, sir.
Everyone feeling comfortable up to this?
Yes.
Sir,
So
once
there
you
are
share the program.
yeah, 1 second. So please listen carefully because we are having a quiz today. I will show you how to interact with the quiz. So once if the topic got completed, on every fundamental topic, we have a quiz. How much knowledge you are going to get, that you need to recollect there. So only 2 days I am explaining these data types. Yesterday we started data types and today we are going to complete. So based on this, we have, okay. I am not a technical background, so is this batch is good for me for Java? Yes, definitely. I told already it is a normal track. Okay, I am going to take the classes very slowly. Okay, and you people are going to practice along with me, so it will be definitely benefitable course only. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you provide a daily lecture notes, sir?
Yeah, definitely. Once if the class completed, I am going to share this complete drive link.
Okay.
I am clear program. You asked, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So what is the next data types? For next data types also, we have to discuss. What is the next data type that we have? Sir, float data type is there. For float also, so we have to talk about this. Okay. So next for another, what is another next data types? So float, double, character, boolean. So first we will talk about float and then double. Sir, float, what is the data type name? These comes under real values. What is the keyword name? Float is the keyword name. Okay, float is the keyword name. Sir, next and after that, so what is the wrapper class name? Wrapper class name is also float, sir. What about size? It will occupy how many bytes? 4 bytes. 4 bytes means what? 32 bits will be there. Sir, what about range? Range we have to calculate, sir. Anyway, we have to calculate. For that, we have a program. What is a wrapper class name? Float. So here also I am taking float. Okay. Now just I am refreshing the output. You can see. Sir, it is telling 1.4 e to the power minus 45 to, sir, 3.4028 something like that. You people may have a doubt, sir, what is that e and all? Don't worry. So I will explain about that e later. Okay, because in the literals concept we will talk. So what about default value? 0.0 because it comes under floating point value. So the default value is 0.0. Sir, what about a double? Double also comes under real values. What is the keyword name? Sir, keyword name is a double. Wrapper class name D capital double. So what about size? It will occupy 8 bytes. 8 bytes means how many bits? Sir, 64 bits. So what about the range? Anyway, again we have to write a program for that. I am taking so double dot, so minimum value. Okay. So then double dot maximum value we are going to take. Let us refresh. Sir, 4.9 something like this we are getting as the range minimum value. And what about the maximum value? This is the maximum value what we have. Sir, what is the default value? 0.0. This is about a floating point. Sir, everyone clear with floating point? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Sir, this 4.9 to, oh sorry, 4.9 minus
Sir,
324.
actually, we will talk about that later. But if you want to just have it once. See, if you take any calculator in my system, I have a calculator. So I'm taking 258. Okay, so 258 into 963. Sir, my calculator size is only this much. So if I want to display any content, I have to display in this red color box. Correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
But if you have a big value, is it possible to display in this small box? No, right?
Yes, sir. But I'm not talking about the.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. So you will get the point. So
Okay.
this large volume of data I can't represent here. Correct?
Yes, sir.
That's why to represent large volume of data in small memory locations, we will go for floating point. Now you can see again I am doing equal to multiplication of this. Like this I am keep on doing. See, is there any e value is coming or not? Have you observed, sir?
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of this? 2.13 something. It is not a floating point. E means a tensor. This entire value I have to multiply with, so 1 followed by 17 zeros. That means 10 power 17. Got it?
Okay, got it, sir.
Yeah, that's why we will see that in the literals. There I will explain. Okay.
But that is maximum, right, sir?
No. Actually,
4.9.
minus is there, right?
Okay.
You forgot that.
4.9 minus. Okay. Okay, sir. Sorry.
Yeah. Now coming to the next one, sir, character data type, and the last one is what? Boolean. Let me investigate these two. Sir, it is also character. Keyword name is char, sir. Wrapper class name is character. Size, how many bytes it will occupy? 2 bytes. 2 bytes means 16 bits. Sir, what about range? Sorry, negative character, such type of terminology is not there. That's why what is the size? Sir, 0 to 65,535 is the range. This one you have to remember. There is no alternative option. So you can't find out maximum and minimum by using the program. Why? Because negative such type of terminology is not applicable for character. What is the default value? Empty character. What about Boolean? Sir, data type name is Boolean. So keyword name is also Boolean. Wrapper class name is also Boolean. Size is not applicable. Sir, why? Because it will allow only two values. How I can store for that 2 bits? 1 bit is okay for that. So that's why size is not applicable. Range is also not applicable. Range is also not applicable, but allowed values. Sir, which values it will allow? Either true or false. That's all. Sir, in that, which is the default value? False. Okay. Sir, any doubts about character and Boolean? Please confirm. Yes, any doubt, guys? Please confirm.
No, sir.
Right. Sir, I want to talk about, sir, some important 5 note points. Please listen carefully. Okay. First note. After that, we will go for a quiz. Some examples also I have given in the last class. In the next class also, we will give some examples. Sir, what is the first note is, sir, I am going to talk about default values. Sir, if you take integer data type, okay. If you take integer data types, that is integers, how many integers are there? We have around 4 integers are there. For all those 4 integers, what is the default value? 0, sir. Even if you take floating point values also, there are 2 floating point values are there, like float and double. What is the default value? 0.0. And there is only one character is there. If you are not giving, what is the default value? Empty space. For Boolean, what is the default value? False. So these are nothing but default values what we have. Any questions? Just I summarized the points whatever I covered. Any questions?
No, sir.
Next, note number 2. Sir, listen carefully. Default data types. Default data types. Sir, the question is a bit tricky. Listen carefully and tell me the answers. What is my question is? See, in the Java program, I didn't declare anything. Simply, I have taken a number called 102. Tell me, sir, it is what type of data? It is what
Integer.
type of data?
Integer.
Integer.
In the
Integer.
integer, again 4 types are there, right? In those
Short.
4 types, which one, sir?
Short.
Or byte. You can.
But this value is there in all 4, right? Correct? Huh? If you see the
Yes.
ranges of these
Yes.
4, in every range, this value is there, correct?
Yes.
That's why default data type will come into the picture. Sir, if you are not explicitly defining, then it belongs to which type? Integer. Very, very important question. So if you declare explicitly like byte b is equal to 102. Now 102 is what type? Byte. Sir, I didn't declare. Then which type? Integer. Sir, in floating point, default is which one? Double, not float. Sir, for character, array, for character, there is no division. Whatever you are taking, it is always char. For Boolean also Boolean. Sir, is the second notice clear for everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
Sir,
Clear?
could you please repeat the same question once again?
Ma'am, can you please speak louder?
Would you please repeat it once again, sir?
Ma'am, for integers, there are 4 classifications are there, like byte, short, int, long. So if you take a number called 10, it comes under all these 4. Okay. So then what is the default? So the default is always integer, because when we have a group, then so what is the default nature? So this integer is nothing but default. In floating point also we have 2 divisions, float and double. If you are seeing any points representation, by default it comes under float only, double only, like that. For character there is no division, right? That's why no problem. Char only will be the default. For Boolean also Boolean will be the default. Clear, madam?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. Next note, third note. Sir, I am going to talk about signed and unsigned. Some people are always using. Sir, what is mean by signed and unsigned? Sir, signed means what? Which will take both positive and negative values. So which data types will take this positive and negative? Sir, byte, short, int, long. So float and double. These are going to take both positive and negative. Sir, which are unsigned? Means only positive. Which data types is only positive? Character. Sir, for Boolean, so positive, negative, such a type of terminology is not applicable. Sir, is the third note is clear for everyone? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Right. This is nothing but end of data types. Okay. Sir, if you are clear with this, just we will
Sir,
have a
sign positive and negative you said, right? What, sir?
sir, this byte, short, int, long, float, double, these values can be positive or negative.
Okay, okay.
But character cannot be negative, right?
Yes, sir, yes.
That's what. So these are nothing but the data types what we have. This is the important chapter. That's why in the fundamentals, today I started data types. I mean, yesterday we completed this. So we will have a small kind of quiz just to check your knowledge. I'm not going to consider this quiz, just check your knowledge, whatever you have attended yesterday and today. Okay. Next, tomorrow, I'm going to explain like steps to prepare, somewhat small introduction I will give to Java. Then I will explain steps to prepare Java applications and what are the softwares required to run Java application. The theory part is there. Anyway, I will explain tomorrow. Okay. Now, sir, are you ready to attend quiz? Please confirm. Sir, are you ready to attend quiz?
Yes, sir. So, but sir, I have some question regarding that, syllabus, sir. Can I ask?
Yeah, please, you can ask.
Yes, sir. So actually, so like, are you covering that, the latest features? Like features means Java 8 and
Yeah,
Java,
yeah. We have included in the syllabus, right?
uh, and also about like memory management, because in interview they're asking about the memory management.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. JVM architecture I'm going to cover, and even with respect to string also I'm going to cover, even in the object-oriented programming also. So minimum some 20 minutes we are going to discuss about this. These three areas I'm going to focus on memory management also. Okay.
Yeah, yes, sir. And so one more thing, like about that, asynchronous programming. Actually, they're asking about how we are implementing asynchronous programming, but you're not in syllabus. They're not there, sir. Like, like executor services. Those things
Sir,
are not
it is there in the multi-threading, right?
okay.
Synchronous, asynchronous will comes under multi-threading only, right?
Okay, you'll cover the executor services, all
Yes,
the thing, right?
yes, yes, yes. But
Okay.
not in detail, we won't go, sir. That's what I told. In the demo also, you asked the same question. We are not going in detail
No, sir.
up
It's my
to,
first class, sir. Like, yeah.
okay. Up to producers, consumers problem, how to inter-thread communication is going to work, and synchronization, and then synchronized method, synchronized blocks, and asynchronized keyword. That these things we are going to cover. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Clear, sir, up to this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let's have a quiz. Sir, to attend this quiz, you need to have another mobile, okay, or any other device. Just take any device, mobile or laptop, but don't use the device which you are watching the class, because the questions are going to be displayed on my screen. Answers you have to select from other, answers you have to select from your device. Okay. So take kahoot.it. You can open any browser and type kahoot.it. Type kahoot.it. It will ask for game pin. Just enter this game pin like 3244275. Then immediately it will ask for name. Just enter your name and join. Okay, so please make it fast so that I will start the quiz. Around some 10 or 15 questions will be there. Just you will get a clarity how it will be. Some people are leaving the meeting. Huh?
Sir, I just wanted to ask one thing.
Hmm.
Sir, how you are generating this pin, sir, in Kahoot?
No. So it is a customized thing, sir. Okay.
Means like we need to take some sponsors or like some membership.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Actually, yeah, I wanted to have this kind of things.
Okay. Actually, it is a paid version.
No. Actually, in my office, they asked me to uh, conduct a quiz uh, competition.
Okay. Actually, it is a
Okay,
paid version, sir. It will be useful only for schools and colleges,
okay,
because
okay,
more things, more tools will be there here. Okay.
okay. No, it's there is no free version.
No. I think there is a free version, but only limited people can attend with that.
Okay, Kahoot, right,
And
sir? www.
kahoot.com or kahoot.it. Kahoot.com is for website, and kahoot.it for players. Yeah, right. So only 4 people are there. Let me start the quiz. So I am
Sir,
starting.
give me 1 minute. I
So
am
the
not
people who didn't join, in the bottom you can see that
sir.
game pin.
Game, game pin, sir. Can oh yeah.
Yeah, please. It is available in the bottom. You can see. So you can see this is the first question. You need to speed up. In Java, we have both the primitives and objects. In your screen, these two colors will be there. Okay. So you have to select the correct answer. So only 2 people attended.
Sir,
So
get
both
ready.
are.
I'm getting get ready. You will be joining soon. It's saying.
No. You can join. Please check the pin carefully and join because
No,
the
it's
quiz is
joined, sir.
started, right?
Started, but it's showing get ready only for me.
Okay.
Yeah. It's no, it's not started still.
Yeah. Okay. It will start, sir. Wait. Okay. Now, second question.
Yeah, question number 2 it's coming, sir. First question I
Yeah.
can't see.
Yeah. Okay. You can start playing.
Okay.
Yeah. So please be on mute and start playing. Right. You can see the question and also answers. Please read the question carefully and select appropriate answer. So if you want, so I will give music also. Music also is there for this. Just let me give that control. So the correct answer is, what are the 2 Java data types? The people who attended yesterday, they can answer well. So we have primitives and non-primitives. Okay. So the correct answer is primitives and non-primitives.
Sir, I'm really sorry, sir. One thing I just wanted to say that it's showing times up, right? For me, like it's not coming only, sir, the questions.
Okay. So no problem, sir. You can join from the next quiz. Why? Because maybe in the beginning itself, you need to join.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So now choose the right statement about Java data types. Read the question. So options also there on my screen. Corresponding color you have to select from your system. So integer data types are short, int and long. So real data types are float and double. Character data type is char. Everything is there in data types. Fourth question. The following are the parts of Java data type except one data type, remaining all are Java data types. What is that except? You need to identify. So what is that one? Dual is not there. Everyone selected the correct answer. Good. You can compete it with others. So the person who is selecting correct answer with less time will come to the first based on the points. Sir, please be on mute. Of course, this question I think we didn't cover, but if you use brain, you can solve. So everything is invalid. None of the above is valid. Why? Because true means compulsory word you have to take. In the middle, underscore is there. Not correct. Here also underscore. Sir, here also underscore. It is not correct. Which of these data types stores real numbers? So the correct answer is double, but no one selected. See, data types stores real numbers. Real values means floating point. Several times I typed in the documentation. Next question. Read the question properly. Which one of the following Java data type is not primitive? 4 options are there. In that, one option is not primitive. So which is not primitive? String. Because float, boolean, character, everything is a primitive, right? String is not primitive. Still not habituated for the questions. No problem. Take it as a trial. Which of the following Java data type uses true or false? Very, very easy question. Which data type uses true or false? Yeah, very good. Everyone selected. The correct answer is boolean. Boolean. Which of the Java data types represent 64-bit whole number? Number. Here they are talking about number 64-bit. So long integer size is 8 bytes. 8 bytes means 64 bits. Very good. Last 5 questions. Which of the data type listed below is not Java data type? In this, one is not data type. Read the question carefully. The correct answer is integer. Why? Because boolean is there, byte is there, double is there, but integer is not there, right? Int is there. Int, int. You should not write full form. Tricky question. Next one. Which of the Java data types is most like text? Among these 4, one is representing always a text. So string is something like a text. Which of the following Java data type is most like logic data type? Logic data type. So Boolean is the logic data type. What is the size of double data type in Java? How many bytes it is going to occupy? So 8 bytes. 8 bytes is the size of double. Read the question carefully and select. Math.min value is used to find the minimum value of a data type. I know you people are going to confuse. See, math, no. Wrapper class name dot minimum value is used to find the minimum value of data type. But math is not a wrapper class, right? That's why the answer is false. Okay. Last question. Default value for Boolean. So the correct answer is false. The correct answer is false. False is the default value for Boolean. Okay. So you can see Anjita Reddy, third position, Anju, second position, and first position, Sai Panendra. Right. So this is nothing but what we have. So hope you enjoyed. These kind of learning will be there for part 1, fundamentals, completely fundamentals for every topic. These kind of quizzes will be there. Okay. So for remaining topics, okay, for containers, so I'm going to give more MCQs in the form of exam. Like if you take arrays, around 50 MCQs will be there. One link I am going to give. So I will give exactly 1 hour time to attend that. So in your mobile or in your laptop you can attend. So I won't be there in online for that. So I will be monitor from my system. You can't open any tabs and all. Okay. So it will be captured. So like that, for containers we are going to have an exam. And even for these kind of advanced topics also, this Kahoot, like that, one more platform is there, we will use that. And for object oriented program, maximum output based questions will be there. So like you can learn the things very easily and very interestingly. Okay, sir, clear? Everyone please confirm clear up to this. Any questions that you have?
No, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Clear, sir.
Yeah, right, guys. That's all about today's session. So tomorrow we will have as usual session. Tomorrow we will meet up with a new topic. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.